First, fully close Steam. Go to the bottom right corner of your taskbar and click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Find Steam, right-click on it, and choose Exit. Wait a few seconds to make sure Steam is completely closed. Now open the Start menu and type Steam. Right-click on Steam and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Once Steam opens, click Steam in the top left corner. Select Check for Steam client updates and let Steam update if needed. After that, click Steam again and open Settings. Go to the Downloads tab and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart and sign you out. Simply log back into your account. After this, the invalid platform install error should be fixed.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. And I'm staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming